The life story of a frog. On the edge of a quiet pond, beneath the shade of reeds, a female frog lays hundreds of tiny black eggs, floating together in a jelly-like mass. These eggs are fragile, exposed to the world, and many will become food for fish, birds, and insects. But those that survive hold the promise of life. After a few days, the eggs begin to tremble, and out wriggled tiny tadpoles, creatures with gills, tails, and no legs, looking nothing like the frogs they will one day become. At first, they nibble on algae and small plants, playing their role in keeping the pond's ecosystem balanced. They are prey for dragonfly larvae, fish, and birds, but their numbers ensure that at least some will survive. As weeks pass, the tadpoles undergo a magical transformation called metamorphosis. Small legs sprout, their tail shrink, and lungs develop to breathe air. Soon, they hop out of the water as young frogs, ready to explore both land and pond. Now, as adult frogs, they become hunters. Their sticky tongues shoot out in a flash, catching flies, mosquitoes, and other insects. This makes frogs an important natural pest controller, keeping insect populations in check. Without them, insects could overwhelm crops and even spread more diseases. Frogs also play a vital role as prey. Birds, snakes, fish, and even small mammals depend on them for food. In this way, frogs stand as a link in the great food web, connecting plants, insects, and larger animals. But life is not easy. Frogs face threats from predators, pollution, climate change, and habitat loss. Many will not live long, but some survive for several years, croaking their calls at night, attracting mates, and beginning the cycle again with new eggs in the water. Eventually, an old frog's body weakens, and when it dies, it returns to the soil and water, nourishing the earth and feeding tiny organisms. Even in death, the frog supports life. The frog's importance in the environment. Natural pest control. Frogs eat harmful insects like mosquitoes. Food source. Frogs feed many animals in the ecosystem. Bioindicators. Frogs are sensitive to pollution and climate changes, so their presence or absence tells us about the health of the environment. Nutrient cycling. Even in death, frogs help enrich the soil and water. In the story of nature, frogs are more than just leaping, croaking creatures. They are guardians of balance, playing their part from birth to death in keeping the environment alive and healthy.